The seventh trading week of 2013 comes to a close with investors pondering if markets are overbought and ready for a correction. Hi, I'm Sayoko Murase. Welcome to the weekly market wrap for February 16th, 2013. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were little changed for the week. Crude oil futures are slightly lower this week, trading around $95.68 a barrel on Friday afternoon. Gold futures are lower this week, trading at $1,606.23 an ounce in afternoon trading. In notable economic news this week, initial claims for state jobless benefits dropped 27,000 to a seasonally adjusted 341,000, according to the Labor Department. In corporate news this week, Coca-Cola announced that it earned $1.87 billion or 41 cents per share during the fourth quarter, up from $1.66 billion or 36 cents a share in the same period last year. Excluding one-time items, earnings were 45 cents a share, beating analyst estimates by 1 cent. Revenue increased by 4% to $11.46 billion, while analysts were expecting $11.53 billion. American Capital Strategies announced that profit for the fourth quarter fell by 79%, though results still beat estimates. The company earned $123 million or 38 cents a share, down from $594 million or $1.73 a share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by 13% to $180 million from $160 million. Analysts expected a profit of 25 cents per share on $142 million in revenue. Net asset value increased by 29% to $17.84 a share. For the year, the company earned $1.14 billion or $3.44 a share, up from $94 million or $2.74 a share in the year before, while revenue increased from $591 million to $646 million. Truly announced that it lost $1.6 million or 6 cents per share in the most recent fiscal quarter versus a loss of $2.1 million or 30 cents a share in the same period last year. Excluding stock-based compensation, the company lost 3 cents per share. Analysts had expected a loss of 2 cents per share. Revenue increased by 76% at $20.6 million, beating estimates of $19.1 million. Traffic to its website increased by 50%, while the number of mobile monthly unique visitors more than doubled. Deere & Company announced that profit for the first quarter was $649.7 million or $1.65 a share, up from $532.9 million or $1.30 a share in the same period last year. Revenue was higher by 10% to $7.42 billion versus $6.77 billion in the same period last year. Sales were $6.8 billion versus $6.12 billion in the same period last year. CBS announced earnings increased by 6.2% to $393 million or 60 cents a share, up from $370 million or 55 cents a share in the same period last year. Excluding items, the company earned 64 cents per share. Analysts had expected earnings of 69 cents a share. Revenue increased by 2.4% to $3.7 billion from $3.61 billion in the same period last year, missing estimates of $3.85 billion. The company also announced a stock buyback of $1 billion. This is the weekly market wrap for Friday, February 16, 2013. Please join us on Tuesday for the week ahead market report. This is Sayoko Murase for PassFail.com, taking you behind the ticker.